When I was in grade school, I struggled with how to care for my curly, sometimes frizzy, dry hair and scalp. But as an adult, I am so thankful that there are now products that are made specifically for my hair type and for other natural, relaxed, or kinky and coily hair. I'll share with you what wash day in my household looks for my family, starting with step 1, the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo, which provides long-lasting scalp relief and hydration. It doesn't take much shampoo to create a nice lather to remove that buildup and impurity. So use about a quarter size amount in the palm of your hand, creating a smooth lather, and then just massage it into your scalp. And what's clear right away is how good this shampoo smells. It's got a fresh coconut scent that leaves my hair smelling really good, but also feeling very soft, and I don't have to worry about parabens and dyes because this shampoo has none of those. It's got a balanced, moisturized formula that provides long-lasting relief from scalp dryness. And if I want a deeper clean, I can repeat another shampooing without worrying about my hair drying out. Next, I thoroughly rinse out my hair, making sure that there's no traces of shampoo left. And then I follow with the Royal Oils Moisture Renewal Conditioner by using a thick dollop of conditioner in the palm of my hand. I like to leave the conditioner on while cleaning off, and then just letting it soften and hydrate my hair. And if you regularly use this Head & Shoulders Anti-Dandruff Kit, it will actually nourish your scalp 3 layers deep to prevent dryness and flakes associated with dandruff. And you never have to worry because this system is free of mineral oils, sulfates, and dyes. So if you've got dry scalp due to dandruff or any other itchy scalp condition, this Head & Shoulders shampoo and conditioner, these are a must-have for your bathroom essentials. And your hair and scalp will thank you.